Okay, from off of our cayenne planter, we're going to do a count to find out what our first harvest is going to look like. And we want you guys to be here to see it with us. All right, are you ready? Let's go. All right, so one bag and counting. Hope it don't get too heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I hope I'm doing this right. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50. Whew, man, it's getting boring here. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whew, guys, I'm getting tired already. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 20. 120. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 173 peppers first harvest. Off one torpedo pot, fully automated. No human intervention. Runs by itself. The best thing about it, we've didn't amend our soil. We used the fungal soil, and so we added more soil during half of the growing season because it was being consumed at a very fast rate, or being decomposed, breaking down at a very fast rate. And so, and we hit it with a 3-12-12 once a week. Yeah, I'll say about once a week, once every 10 days. And so, depending upon our availability. And as you can see, these are the results. These are the results. And so, that's amazing. Now, people say, Daryl, I can't use all those peppers. No, you're right, you can't. But remember now, there's a seed business associated with this. Not only is there a seed business associated with it, but not only can you sell in the supermarkets, the open markets, your neighbors, or whatever it is. Not only, but you can actually grind these down and use them in spices. You can use some of the flavors for some of the other foods, the tomatoes and peppers. the tomatoes in children's food. So there's a lot you can do with your torpedo pot. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. I think the proof is in the pudding. You can't beat it. This translates into wholesome food without having to use synthetic chemicals. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.